Please, I'll find a way out. That dude over there is searching for a way out to come beat the living snot out of my daughter. You want to get her? Get her. Go get her. Where's she at? There she is. Go get her. You want to beat her to death, don't you? Yeah, look at her. Look, he wants out. He wants you. That's what she gets for smiling and pointing at him. There's Amanda. There's the distant relatives. Dude is going nuts over her pointing and smiling.